For this tutorial, we will be learning the sumac weave using a really easy method. The sumac can be done with smaller yarn sizes, and it still shows the braided look it's known for. Here, I'm going to take 2 full arm's lengths of yarn and fold it in half. I will then take the folded loop side and pick the first warp string to attach it. I lift the warp string and pass the loop through the bottom. I then carefully place my 2 fingers inside the loop and then pass the yarn through the loop like this. Pull it to tighten it a bit and then place your string in the direction you are moving in. Then place your 2 fingers inside the string and go under the warp string to grab the 2 strings on the other side. You will bring these under and through and out like this. Notice how I then place the string back in the direction I am moving. We're going to continue going under the warp string to grab your yarn and pull it through. Make sure to not pull too tight. I like to also straighten my braid weave as I go. Let's speed this up and finish my row. You can really see the braid forming nicely. Okay, once you get to the end of the row, you can either stop and just basic weave a short bit in the other direction and then tuck it under to hide it, or if you want to continue another row in the opposite direction with the sumac braid, you must loop it twice around on the final warp string before going back the other way. Now your weft yarn should be angled in the other direction. We are going to repeat the same techniques, placing 2 fingers through your 2 strings and then under the warp string to pull the strings up through the middle. Do this all the way across. Take the extra bit of yarn left and weave it in the other direction and tuck it behind your work. This is what my 2 completed rows of sumac look like. And that is how you create the sumac weave using an easy method. I hope you liked this tutorial. Check out my other tutorials in this series for more techniques. Thanks for watching.